And action. Anybody want a free Willie?
Free hats!
Willie Nelson, Dallas, Texas. Here we got an unboxing video.
Yeah, Big Boy had ordered some food on Amazon. What was it, last week sometime?
I don't remember what day it was, let alone when, it was a little while ago. Scissors are up there on the table if you need them.
Yep. Yeah, but this is one heck of a heavy package.
Yeah, I had a feeling it would be that one. Hunt's got a big break open.
No idea.
They kind of just packed it kind of shitty.
Yeah. Hunt's tomato sauce, several cans. Like you say, they kind of did a shitty job packing. Ooh, cashews.
And 2 cans.
Gotta love cashews.
Yeah, big broke.
Ah. Son of a bitch.
That's what I was saying. They did a crappy job packing at Amazon.
Yeah.
We can still use the bag. It's just watch how you handle it.
Yeah. I'll just put that up there.
Yeah, I don't appreciate the way they packed it. It's crappy.
Yeah, agreed.
Whoever did it didn't do a very good job.
Yeah, just all over the place, really.
And 1 can got dented there.
Yeah. But, yeah, cream of mushroom soup. Oh, I guess the good part is it can still be used.
And still,
Oh, yeah.
I don't appreciate the way they packed it.
Yeah, normally they do a better job of that shit. More of the pasta. Let's see, these are, what was it, 7 ounces?
I believe so.
Yeah, I can't quite tell what kind of pasta this is. They stars or some shit.
It'll still get used.
Yeah. Another dented can.
Yeah, that's par for the course.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all that stuff on the bottom there. The noodles and that.
Yeah.
Crappy.
Yeah, no shit. You would think they could have did a better freaking planning on this.
Yeah, one bag looks like... Yeah, there's noodles all over the place down in there.
Yeah.
That's Amazon here.
Yeah, and they usually do a lot better of a job. All I can say is idiots. Oh yeah, and a case of peas. Well, 12-pack anyway.
And 12-pack case is a 12-pack case.
Yeah. And I don't remember what you spent on this stuff, but I seem to think that the price was actually not that bad.
Yeah, for that case there, I don't remember what I spent on it. I just remember getting a decent deal on it.
Yeah, the Del Monte brand.
And the bags of pasta, 48 cents a bag.
Yeah. Granted, you don't get much, but still. The way I see it, we could do something with this stuff.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with it yet, but hell with it.
Damn, I'm shaking.
Ugh.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I wish I knew. But yeah. Sometimes it is nice to not have to go to the store and get the stuff yourself.
The way I've been feeling, I got two colds within a week. Got over one, then I got sick all over again.
Yeah. I haven't been feeling quite so right in the last week or two, so yeah. What the hell? Yeah, I should try to put this crap away.
I'm gonna shut this down.
Yeah.